Hi there, how you doing? So I'm actually going to just show you how to fix the problem when your Samsung S9, 10, 8, whatever it might be, is showing the sign that there is water damage. So I recently been on holiday to somewhere quite humid. I've not dropped it in the pool or anything like that, but for some reason it's saying that it's wet. I've tried everything, put it in a bag of rice, hair dryer, the lot, and it just doesn't seem to work at all. So I have came up with a fix. So plug the phone in and it comes up as it's charging, and then all of a sudden it comes up with this warning. So what you need to do is just unplug it, wait until it goes off, turn it on, okay, wait until the Samsung sign comes up, and then shove it in, and the charger, and it should start charging. If it doesn't start charging straight away, quickly unplug it and plug it back in when it turns on. So it's saying it's still got a problem, so unplug it and quickly plug it back in. Oh God, plug it back in, and there you go, it started to charge. Just so I can show you when it turns back on. There you go, that's the phone started to charge. Let me know if that works for you guys. If not, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Cheers guys, bye bye.